Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Chrome is up to date and extensions are allowed. That avoids permission blocks. Next, install the Similarweb Chrome extension and accept the minimal permissions it requests. Once done, sign in with your account or create a free one so the extension can fetch metrics. You need an account for historical data and export limits, so make sure to complete that step now. Doing this first removes roadblocks before you analyze any site. With the extension active, navigate to the target website and click the Similarweb icon to load the overlay. Wait a few seconds for metrics to populate. You'll see Overview first, Traffic, Ranking, and Engagement. Then switch to Traffic Sources and Engagement tabs to understand where visitors come from and how they behave. Once you load data, apply country and date filters, and use the Compare feature to view a competitor side by side. This helps you isolate trends and validate insights before exporting. Finish by exporting the view you need. Use CSV export for raw numbers or screenshot for visual snapshots. Save files with clear names indicating site, country, and date. Then bookmark the filtered view and set alerts if your plan supports them so you get updates automatically. If you encounter blank metrics or failed exports, refresh the page, sign out and back in, and confirm the extension has the permissions it requested. That resolves most issues quickly and gets you back to analysis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.